The NHL 6'8" Hover Hockey Table with Table Tennis Top is a must-have for any family game room. Two great games are always better than one. The air-powered ultra-smooth and hardened Glazetek play surface will keep your family or guests entertained for hours on end. All new power corners add extra bounce and excitement to the game. You never know where the puck will go. Prefer table tennis? You are in for double the fun. Sturdy and durable enough to put up with even the most aggressive younger players and easily sets up in under 15 minutes. Comes complete with all accessories including 2 pushers, 2 pucks, 2 table tennis paddles, 2 balls, and 1 net and post system. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ready to play, sets up in minutes. Within minutes of opening the box you can be playing. Call your family and friends and get into the game. Number 2. Glazetek compound coating, keep your table looking sharp with the Glazetek play surface and cabinet coating. Engineered to provide scratch resistance and that long-lasting shine. Resists wear and tear, so you can always play your hardest. Number 3. In-rail automatic LED scoring and sound, no need to worry about keeping score, it does it for you automatically. With light-up electronic scoring and sound, never lose track of the action. Includes multiple game options including tug of war and free play. Low-profile scorer design allows you to place the table tennis conversion top on your hockey table. Number 4. Conversion table tennis top, everyone loves table tennis and for good reason. The 80 inches NHL Hover Hockey Table includes a conversion top that sits on top of your hockey table. Get ready to serve, spin, and slice your way to victory. Number 5. Leg leveling system. The 80 inches NHL Hover Hockey Table has built-in leg levelers that ensure easy setup and perfectly balanced play. Number 6. Complete with all accessories, includes everything you need to get started in minutes. Includes 2 pushers, 2 pucks, 2 table tennis paddles, 2 table tennis balls, and 1 net and post system. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.